Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another Payday. So today what we're going to go over is the date. So what we got paid, we didn't have any. These are all my pay period checks. So this 910 is a free check because July has a 5 pay period month, so that's pretty exciting. So this $910, we are actually going to, let's go over here to my other sheet here. So the $910, my overtime is actually, I did 22.75 overtime hours, so my extra is 627.45. Out of this 910, we are putting 500 from Alicia's account. So we have a couple of things going on this week. That is why this full 910 is not going into joint. So it's my sister's birthday weekend, and some of this money had to go towards putting the money back from last week, because we actually, well, I used a little bit of it. So let's go over to, so this is my debt snowball. So out of that $910, so all of it, the 910 had to go back into the previous week, which was here. Because we had unexpected bills, so that kind of messed things up. So this week we're only able to allocate 500 right now. It is my sister's birthday. Today is Friday, and we're gonna throw a little party for her, so I have to get a cake and a gift and some other things. So if we have anything left over, then we will be putting another probably 300, so it'll be a total of 800. But I didn't want to like write it in and then leave myself short, so that's where that is at. So the E-Trade money, once the E-Trade account closes out, because I used 300 to my Robinhood, because then when my E-Trade closed out, then I would just put it back. So that is why I only did 500, because it actually has not deposited into my regular bank account yet. All right, so that's what we have. So the total from the 10,000 paid back will be 4,500 instead of the 5 that we were hoping for, but that's okay, because we can do a little catch up next week, hopefully. So all right, so let's see what I bought on my Robinhood account. Let me get that set up. Okay guys, so here's my Robinhood account. You can see that I put all my 300 in there. I took that from our other account. So when my E-Trade closes out, then I'll just put that back in there. So let's see what I got. And here is my portfolio right here. So I got, I didn't buy anything of Tesla. I now have 2 shares of Glad. I like that stock. It's doing okay. 2 shares of Ford. And I filled out my 1 share of Chronos, 1 share of Chrono, 1 share of Main. So all of the stocks that had like a half a share, I made those into a full share. Like Main, it was Main and Stag, I believe. Yeah, Main and Stag only had half shares, so I made those into full shares. So now I have 1 full share of Main, 1 full share of Stag, and I bought an extra 2 shares, and I made the other AMCR share, which is Amcor. I made that into a full share, so that is 3 shares. I have 2.10 shares of AT&T. That's what this T is, and I got EFC. So what EFC is, hold on one second. Let me get my notes here. All right, so EFC is an Ellington Financial Incorporated, and it has, let's click on that because I want to share it with you. These are one of my picks that I had been researching. So I want to make sure that you guys can see what I'm seeing. So the market value, shares 1577, average cost is 1552. Portfolio diversity, there we go. And look at this dividend yield, 11.57. So the PE is only 9.86. So this is what it costs you to basically have that share, but it overrides this dividend yield. I mean, this is a great dividend to put in your portfolio, guys. Yeah, so and look at this. So the analyst rating is a buy. So, all right, so this is an investment trust. The firm engages in provisions of investment services, which I've been doing a lot of research. So it manages mortgage-backed assets, securities, loans, and real estate debts. So this is awesome. It was founded in 2007, and its headquarters are in Greenwich, Connecticut. So, all right, so this is one of my new picks. Let's go back to portfolio here. All right, so where were we at? EFC, I got one share of that. And then ORCC, guys, I bought 2 shares of that. Let's go to what it is. So this is Owl Rock Capital, and this is another solid company I've been doing some more research on. And where's the about? So this is a non-traded business development company, seeks investment opportunities in middle market companies located in the U.S. This is like the craziest. So this company here has, through all the years, they have not lowered their dividend yield. So you know this company is a solid company. Been doing a lot of research, and ever since, so they founded this in 2015. They actually is equity related, warranties, acquisitions, that type of thing, and pretty good. Look at this. So the buy right now is 90.9%. Yeah, this is a very solid solid stock as far as what we're talking about for portfolios individually. You definitely want to get some of these guys in your corner. All right, let's go back to portfolio. So we got one of Owl Rock, and I did purchase 1 share of the cannabis stock, and I got, so with the rest of the money, I got the realty income. So what I had left was actually 42.30. So that brings me to a share of 0.599. So next time I'll be able to add some more into this guy, and this dividend yield is 4.15. So Analyst Rating 52% says to buy this stock. It is kind of high right now, is sitting at 69.80, but it's going up. Yeah, every day. I said, look at this. Well, you can tell from where it was. Look at this. It's like, so if you guys want to buy some solid stock, these are the ones, all this uptrend is what you want to see right now. It's crazy. So I did put the rest of the dollars in that one. So then next time I will finish that Realty Income Corp and make that one full share. So that's what I got right now, but and I did not put any in Tesla, just because, I mean, they're just, if you guys want to buy Tesla right now and you have some extra money and you don't know where to put your money in, Tesla would be a great buy right now, because it's hot, but it's only going to go up. Because if you're looking at the performance, look at this. I mean, it is on it's leveling out right now at 809. You can see it was at 765. I mean, this is just 1 week, guys. Come on, that's crazy. So the 5-year, look at this. So even though it's on an upturn and then it takes a downturn, because of 2021 January, it is on the upturn again. And you can, I mean, this is exactly what you're going to see. So it's only going to go up from here. I can almost guarantee that. You see this, and it's going to be up here probably in a month or two. But if you want to start buying fractional shares every week, I would suggest you do so that, because look at the price tag right now, $809. And Tesla was sitting at almost, what, 13, yeah, 12, look at this, 1222 at the end of 21. So yeah, it's gonna go back up again. All right, guys, so that's what I have in my portfolio, and I'm really excited about this EFC, the Ellington, and the OWL. I'm really excited to see how those are going to perform over the long term. So, all right, guys, that's what we got, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.